Welcome to 868 Pueblo Drive. This home is set on a private, professionally landscaped acre in the highly desirable town of Franklin Lakes, known for its open spaces, top schools, and low taxes. All this within 25 miles of New York City. This new modern farmhouse was built to satisfy even the most discerning buyer. Our goal in designing this house was to create an elegant and sophisticated home that is warm and inviting. From the moment you walk through the front door, luxury surrounds you in all of the carefully selected details and finishes throughout the home. You enter into a two-story foyer with beautiful moldings and a herringbone wood inlay floor. This is a home where you can easily entertain and have large family gatherings or intimate dinner parties. The eat-in kitchen has an abundance of storage, including a walk-in pantry and an expansive center island, highlighted by the custom ceiling millwork. All the counters are a durable marble quartz, adding a timeless feel. The great room has the first of 3 gas fireplaces in the home, finished with marble tile and a custom surround. The formal dining room is perfect for large holiday celebrations as well as intimate dinner parties. There is a striking powder room and a private guest suite with full bath or study. On the top floor of the home, there are 4 bedrooms with ample closet space and 2 full baths with custom tile work. The large master bedroom overlooks the backyard and is really a sanctuary with its vaulted ceilings, a 3rd marble fireplace, 2 huge walk-in custom closets. The master bath leaves nothing to be desired, from the large shower and custom vanities. The lower level of this home is a wonderful recreation area. The space is fully finished with waterproof flooring and includes a custom bar and an additional full bathroom. If you're ready for the lifestyle of this extraordinary home in this prime location, give us a call. We'd love to give you a private tour.